part of the reason that we have this loneliness epidemic in this country. And this didn't start with COVID. It didn't start with social media. This is something that Robert Putnam wrote about in the 1990s in his book, Bowling Alone, that we have had this decades long trend of, as society became more secular, people had fewer occasions on their calendar booked for friends. This is why we have a loneliness epidemic in this country. And I'm not saying you have to go join a religious institution, far from it. I'm saying you can bring those back into your life, but make sure you have, if you value relationships with your family, with your friends, you need to have that time booked for those people in your life. I think maybe one of the silver linings of this corona epidemic is that for the first time, people are booking Zoom calls and meetings with their friends because they can't be physically together. Now they have that time reserved. So I hope we continue that and do that in the real world as well with in-person relationships.